Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Moni and I recently relocated to Winnipeg, Manitoba with my family. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the things we got from a center called Center Flavie. You can go there to pick up free furniture. The reason why we went there to pick furniture is because we don't want to exhaust our savings yet and all that. Spending the time we get a job and we start buying our preferred kind of furniture, we want to get and buy the necessary things that we need at the moment. So we went there, we picked up some good items and all that. Please take note, the items there are not new, they are used items, but unfortunately the ones we got from there couldn't fit through our apartment. We couldn't get it up the stairs, so we had to give it out to someone else that needed it. So I'm going to show you the clip anyway. There are some other things we also got from Facebook Marketplace, like this chair, this bar stool. We got it from Facebook Marketplace. We also got a TV stand from Facebook Marketplace. Let me show you. I just pray the TV will fit on that TV stand. It looks so small. We are getting a 58 inches TV for the house, and tomorrow we'll be going to get a deep freezer for the house because we will soon be in tomato season. So enough of the long talk. I will show you the furnitures we got from Center Flavie. This was when we were on our way to the center. They don't only give furnitures here. There are other items that they give out for free, clothing, kitchen items and all that. But we went mainly to this center to pick up furnitures. So I couldn't make a video when we got in because you have to be very fast. When you get there, they give you a number and you enter according to your number. And they also give stickers, so you have to be fast and put the stickers on the items you want. And if they are big items, they can deliver it to your house for $35. So the people that Center Flavie people are here to deliver the furnitures we got from them 2 days ago. That's their car outside, and that's the couch we got from them. So let me just go downstairs right now and help them out. Open the garage now. Huh? Okay. So most of the things are inside except the big 3-seater chair. So I don't know how we can bring that inside. I also got this rock from there.
almost there.
We're there. I'll be 1 minute.
Huh?
We're almost there.
Wow, don't do like that. I told you that I go to talk now.
Stanley Bailey.
20. Look at 20 here.
20, 18, 16. No, it should be this house. Okay, you sent me a message. This Costco store is very big. You get to shop here as a member. I think you buy the membership card before you can shop here. So my sister got the things for us and we refunded her later. And their prices are quite cheap. Like the detergent we bought came in a big and massive jar and it was very affordable. See our new cow. Yeah. Oh, the camera. Let me go and find the cow. At long last, although it's been almost a week since we got here, but moving around is difficult. We've not been able to go out, we've not been able to get many things, lots of things that we want to buy for the house. But now that we why are you calling?
I'm calling anybody.
You are calling your daddy's friend?
No, I'm trying to call out that person.
Don't call anybody, John. Don't you know that this car is a smart car? Although I would have loved a white car, I really love white cars. What color of cars do you like? Any color?
Yes.
Or you like black?
Yeah, red.
You like red? because your daddy's former car was red. Me, I like white cars, but this one too is okay. This is the face of a car owner. We just bought our first car. It's a Chevrolet 2017 model. Moving around in this Canada is very, very difficult if you don't have a car. We just had to squeeze ourselves to buy this car. Having a car is a necessity. This is what our first car in Canada looks like. I'll show you the front. Amen.
Father, we thank you for this.
Thank you, Jesus.
Every day, every Sunday, you are blessing us. Lord, you are a great God. You are a mighty God. Thank you for what you have done for this family. We appreciate you.
Going out in our car for the first time, and we want to get to the store. We want to buy some things like couch, chair, knives. I already wrote down my list, but come to think of it, I think I forgot the list upstairs, so I'm going to go back upstairs now and get it. But I need to change my shoe first. I was thinking of wearing slippers, but the slippers will not do because it's very cold. It's very, very cold, so I think I'll wear my purple Crocs. And I brought plenty shoes, but they are not padded. They are not well padded, so I'll still be cold if I wear them. Who is looking at me? Nobody knows me in Canada, so let me wear my purple socks. JJ. Purple Crocs. My sunscreen is finished. I need to get another one. Isaac. Isaac, one okay. Where's Isaac?
Yeah.
He's not upstairs. Okay? Open the door and check if he's outside.
He's not here.
Isaac!
Mommy, can you
Check outside. I think he's outside. Look at this kitchen setup. I love this too. You'll see. Salt is also nice. I love this kitchen. But we don't have money for it yet. Let's go and buy our mattress, JJ. Then maybe later, some other day we will now buy the bed frame. But right now, $7.99. That's $800. There's no headboard.